So yesterday in the GER40 analysis video, we had a live trade right here. As you can see, got the entry. This was like that before, and then it just pushed straight up to the next POI. Then I had my next POI marked out, which we got a very nice entry on. We swept this liquidity. It was an LC1. Got the entry on this candle right here at 12 o'clock. And yeah, pushed down in Tokyo, but now it's back up to the entry. So yeah, we had the first entry on that one, which was a loss, and now we're on the second entry on the next POI. And we could push up to, I've got two more POIs, so we could push up to another POI, or price could just push through all of them, but I'm willing to take the entries on each one because we can get a 1 to 10 out of these trades. So even if I take even if I take 3 losses on the last one, it's going to be a 1 to 10. So yeah, I'm happy to take each trade from each POI as long as it's valid. The trade that I'm currently in was a valid trade, so there's nothing I can do but just wait to see what happens. I don't take any trades while I'm in a trade, so yeah, when we're monitoring trades, it can get quite boring because we could be holding this for a week. Just like the last 1 to 10, it was a week hold. So yeah, not really much on GER40 this morning, other than we're going to be monitoring this trade. Again, if it fails this POI, we're going to be taking a trade in the next POI if it becomes valid, and the same with the next POI. So that's it.